This machine's over 3,000 pounds. This is no throwaway unit. This is no toy. This is a mighty machine right here. Hey guys, it's Josh here from Easy-Kleen. Today we're here with our Bull Moose pressure washer. The machine featured in this video today is a 10 gallon per minute, 5,000 PSI. We met this customer at the World of Concrete show this year. So they're a large construction company. They have a 3,000 gallon water tank. They actually purchased a second unit from us at the show too. It's a 25 gallon per minute, 500 PSI demucker unit. So they're going to mount this machine and the demucker on the truck. They've been looking at this piece of equipment for a couple of years. They're a large construction company. They have large track equipment, large crawlers. They're going to be using for paint removal, cleaning some of their big equipment. They do a lot of construction, a lot of stuff in the oil field. They've been talking to some of our customers at the trade shows, and that's really great when you meet a customer and you talk to them for a couple of years at these shows, and everybody they're talking to that has our equipment is saying, do it, you're not going to regret it. We have our 58 horsepower KUBOTA diesel. We have our 10 gallon per minute, 5,000 PSI giant pump on this one. Integrated in the chassis of the frame of this, we have our 100 gallon fuel tank. We have our million BTU boiler on here. So this unit here is going to give them 10 gallons per minute, 5,000 PSI, 200 degrees Fahrenheit hot water. They also on this unit got the steam package. So by opening a valve, they're able to go from 200 degrees up to 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This machine is going to give them multiple different applications, so they can use it for steaming off engines, use the steam for specialized removing decals and stuff like that. They can use it for blasting, 10 gallons per minute, 5,000 PSI. They're also going to have this set up as a two-gun system, so have two operators, 5 gallons per minute, 5,000 PSI, tackling big projects. They're going to mount our demucker unit right beside it, which is 25 gallons per minute, 500 PSI. The reason for the demucking unit, they do a lot of tracked equipment, heavy mud and clay. So what they're going to do before they come in and steam something off, they're going to come in with that 25 gallons per minute, hit the tracks out, knock that, and then come in behind it and clean it up real nice. This is a beautiful unit. As you see here, we got it so they can bolt this right to the truck. We have our forklift slots here. We have our lifting eyes on this. This machine is rugged. This is no toy. It's a huge investment for this company, and we're excited for them to get it and get it to work. We look forward to seeing them next year at the World of Concrete to get the feedback from them. This unit is just one of many of our models that we have available, so feel free to give us a call today, 1-800-315-5533. Discuss what your application is, and we'll pick the right machine for you now and in the future.